Using Zoho, there are multiple options for managing your client meetings. Use CRM Calendar. Use Zoho Bookings. Use Zoho Meetings. Use the meeting management. If your clients need meeting date and time options, then Zoho Bookings streamlines this process. From Zoho CRM, using an email template, you can send your client an email with a button to choose the best date and time from your calendar. Please note, this button pulls its data from the tracker module, which holds the corresponding share link from Zoho Bookings. Please watch the Creating Booking Pages video to learn more. When the client clicks on this button, they will be redirected to your Zoho Bookings page. You can create different booking pages for different types of meetings, including the style, branding, and rules around times and fees if applicable. When the customer chooses their preferred meeting, it will prompt you to enter your details, then schedule the appointment. It automatically syncs back to your CRM calendar, so you can see in the calendar and on your mobile device that a booking has been made, what type of booking they are, the participants, and relevant information. Using our exclusive integration between Zoho Bookings and Enquiries, the booking details are automatically updated in the Enquiry, and if a meeting is in person or online, making it easy to see a booking was made from the Enquiry record, but also from your Enquiry pipeline. This process makes it quick and easy to book meetings for both parties and potentially increases your conversion rates. Watch the Setting Up Booking Pages video to learn how to configure a Zoho Bookings page and link this to your sales or job management process.